In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Easy Anti-Cheat error 30005. So there's a couple of different ways that we can fix this. The first method is by heading over to your File Explorer, and you need to locate the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Now this is usually saved in your C drive inside of Program Files x86. Click on the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, and inside of here you'll find this file easyanticheat.sys. So we're just going to delete this file by right-clicking, selecting the trash icon, and that's going to go ahead and delete it. Now, if you're unable to delete this file, you might need to restart your computer first. Now, once you've deleted this file, you can then head back over to Steam. You can try launching your game, and that should have now solved the error code. If that's still not working, another thing we can do is head over to Library in Steam here and locate the game that you're having issues with. So I'm currently getting this error code for Throne and Liberty. So we just need to right click on our game, click on Properties, then select Installed Files from the left-hand side, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now you need to wait for this verification process to get to 100%. And then once again, you could check to see if that's now fixed the issue. Now, another reason why this error message may occur is if you're using another game that uses Easy Anti-Cheat and you still have this running in the background, and then you try to move over to another game without completely closing down the original game first. So one way to check this is just by heading over to the Task Manager on your computer, and just make sure if you are playing multiple games or you have played multiple games, just make sure you've completely closed down the first game first before trying to open the second game, and that's another way that you can fix this issue. So it's as simple as that, guys. Hopefully by following these steps, that's now fixed the Easy Anti-Cheat error message. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribe.